Hello everyone, welcome again to our channel Why Not Ask Your Physio. Today let's discuss about some tips and exercises for the painting and sketching artist to become pain-free. As a painting or sketching artist, once we start our work, we are lost in its world, time flies by and we are engrossed in our work, aiming to finish it perfectly. That is a time when we do not bother about water, food, or how a posture is. But by the end of the day, when we go back to our bed, we realize we have either headache or vertigo, neck pain, or back pain. Some people may have shoulder or arm pain as well. We all know the problems that we suffer from. Today, let's talk about the solutions to it and get pain free. There are 4 key points: posture, ergonomics, eating habits, and exercises. Let's discuss each of these points one by one in detail. Point number 1: posture. For painting for long hours, we need relaxed muscles of the neck, shoulders, arm, and back. For muscles to stay relaxed, we need good posture. Once our brain learns good posture, it is stored in our brain as muscle memory, and we do not have to think about it again and again. Posture is managed automatically by the brain. Most common posture errors made by artists are tilting neck to one side while sketching or painting, keeping shoulders too stiff and shrugged, sitting in one position for hours, and sitting with a hunched back or standing with an arched back. Posture correction tips are: stop tilting your neck, keep it straight. Relax those shoulders, let them drop down, do not stiffen them up. Keep changing posture every 30 to 45 minutes. Sit and then stand and then change again. Put a reminder in your phone or an alarm clock, as for sure you are not going to remember when 30 minutes are already up. Sit up straight with your chin tucked in, shoulders in line with your ears, upper back and lower back straight. Weight on your sitting bones. Hips and knees to 90 degrees and foot well supported. Point number 2: ergonomics. Some ergonomic mistakes are using table for sketching painting, not an easel, sitting on a stool or chair which is too low or too high, reference kept at an inappropriate place away from the sketching area, keeping colors too far and holding palette in hand for long. Ergonomic correction tips: start using easel kept at your eye level with 45 degrees of inclination so that your neck stays in good posture. Chair height should be such that your feet are touching the ground, hips and knees are at 90 degrees, back supported especially at the lower back area. If chair is too high, you can use a footstool to support your feet. Reference image should be kept near to you, parallel to your easel at your eye level, so that you do not have to move your neck up or down again and again. Color palette should be approximately at your waist level and kept on a surface close to you. Point number 3: eating habits. You should have proper timely meals. Your breakfast, lunch, and dinner is a must. You cannot skip on them. 1 glass of water every 45 to 60 minutes is also a must. Point number 4: exercises. Some of the important ones are as follows: neck mobility exercises, that is, moving the neck up and down, looking to the right and the left, and tilting your neck to each side. Shoulder mobility exercises, that is, moving the shoulders up and down, up from the side, from the front, moving them towards the back, rotating them all the way back and in circles, and taking them horizontally backwards. Spine mobility exercises like cat and camel exercise, which gives good movement to your entire spine. Tennis ball releases for your painful muscles. You can roll the tennis ball around your shoulders for your trapezius muscle, for your upper back, for your lower back, for the side of the shoulders, for the front of the shoulders. You can use foam rolling for myofascial releases of larger areas like your spine, especially your upper back, and your leg muscles like your bum muscles, your hamstrings, your calf, your IT band, all of those. Do not forget to stretch your tight muscles. You have to stretch your shoulder muscles, your muscles in the front of your arm, your leg muscles like your hamstring, your calf, and your whole spine. Last but not the least is the strengthening exercises for weak muscles. You must strengthen the front neck muscles. You must strengthen the muscles between your shoulder blades. You must strengthen your back extensors and your abdominal muscles. You must strengthen your leg muscles also, like your gluteal muscles, your quadriceps muscles, and all the muscles around your knees and foot. If you are experiencing a sudden sharp pain in any of the body areas, you must use a cold pack immediately, which will help you relieve of the pain. Following these tips will make you pain free and you won't have to consult doctors again and again. Following these advices and changes might seem difficult in the starting, but once you put an effort and make necessary changes, your life is gonna be better as you will be pain free. As for sure, I know you do not want to quit painting or sketching any sooner. I hope this was helpful. Thank you for watching our video. Stay tuned for more informative videos to come. Do like, share and subscribe our channel. Thank you.